Welcome everyone to CELPIP Writing Part 1, Writing an Email. Okay. So the time is at the top here, just to keep us on track. Email for education. Let's read. You are interested in improving some skills for your job. So we want to improve some skills for your job. Okay. But you are working so much. So we're working a lot. So you don't have time. So we want to improve some skills for our job, but we are working so much, so we don't have time. Okay. However, you found a program and would like to take it. So we found a program, and it says we want to take that program. Okay. So you need to ask for a schedule change. You need to ask for a schedule change. Okay. Write an email to your manager. Okay. So we need to write an email to our manager about changing our schedule. Okay. Because we want to improve some skills. Okay. So the first question is it formal, semi-formal, or informal? We're writing to the manager that we work with. So it's not the government or some person we don't know. So it's not formal. Is it a friend? Someone I'm really, really close with? Not really. Sometimes, but no. Sounds like it's semi-formal. Okay? Because it's a higher level person, but we know them a little bit maybe. So semi-formal. So right away we should write our greeting. We know who we're writing and what we're writing about. So let's begin. Okay. Dear manager. Okay. Just gonna change this to black. This is, should leave a line after dear manager. And let's not forget commas, everyone. This is Justin Trudeau. And I hope things are going well at the office these days. So remember, that's from our how to write your email video. That's what we usually write to begin with. Now we need to write why we are writing. So I'm writing you because I would like to change my schedule. My work schedule. Yep, it's better. Okay, so you can see we're writing our manager. It says here, the main reason why we're writing is to ask for a schedule change. There's other things, but it's mainly about changing your schedule. Okay. So now that we got our greeting ready, we should leave a line and we're going to write about our first point. Okay. So, our first point is express to him or her which work skills you would like to improve. Okay, so we need just to worry about what work skills we need to improve. Okay, we can begin with firstly, I would like to improve. So it depends. What is your job, right? If you're a teacher, you want to improve your teaching skills. If you are a cook, your cooking skills. So whatever your job is, what do you want to improve? I'm going to say I'm a construction worker. I would like to improve my framing skills for construction because I need to have more information on materials, let's say, for example. You see here it says I spelled this word wrong, so the same thing in the exam. You have spell check, so I'm going to right click construction right there. Remember that. Okay. My framing skills, okay. I made the sentence longer. I want to improve my framing skills because, for what reason? We need a long sentence. We need 2 sentences. Also, I would like to know more about reading construction plans. Okay. So, we gave 2 reasons of the skills we want to improve. That's what it says there. Good. Now we go to point number 2. Inform him or her of the course details. Tell him or her what schedule you need. Okay. So we need to know about the course details, when it is, and the schedule we need. Remember, we can start with regards to. This means about, with regards to. But semi-formal, with regards to. Informal, about. The course and schedule I need. The class is every Monday, let's say, Wednesday and Friday from 4 p.m. until 9 p.m. Let's also say the place, at Nate downtown campus. Okay, so there's some course details. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 4 until 9. So we need some more information here. What schedule we need? Okay, so I will need to finish work on the days I have class at 3 p.m. so I can get ready. That's the schedule I need. I need to finish work on those days, the days I have class at 3 p.m. to get ready. Good. So, checking our time. Wow, we have lots of time. So, last point, state when the course will finish and how your work can be managed. Okay? So, lastly, the course will be from February 5th until May 30th. So I will need my schedule change until June. Till, let's say, June 4th. Also, it says here how your work can be managed. So this means what can you do, or what can we do so I won't miss work, or someone can do the work for me. So I will say here, also, I talked with Andrew, say it's a coworker, and he told me he can work overtime on the days I leave early. Good. Wow, good for Andrew. So he can work overtime, which means he can do the work for me. Good. So now we are in the last part. We're done. So we need to close. Thank you for your attention, and I hope we can make my schedule change. Sincerely, Justin Trudeau. So, very good. So just thank you for your attention, and I hope we can make, so we need to say, emphasize again. I hope we can have that schedule change. I hope we can make it. Very good. So let's look at our time. We have lots of time here, okay? So we should review. Let's review. So now that I'm going to review, I'm going to highlight some of the structure, which is in our how to write an email video. And also some grammar. So dear, you can always start with dear manager, this is, then your first name and last name. And I hope things are going well at the office these days. So again, everything that's in blue is our structure, how we can write. This is for our greeting. I'm writing you because I would like to change my work schedule. Okay. So would like to change, main grammar part here. Remember, we can say I want to. That's informal. I would like to is more formal, so semi-formal. And that's our greeting. And we get our greeting again. Remember, that's what it said in our topic. And write to your manager. Right there. Okay? Now we got to the first point. Express to him or her which work skills you would like to improve. So firstly, I would like to improve my framing skills for construction. Would like to improve. I want to. So I would like is more formal. You can say I want to, but it's going to be less formal. So I want to improve it. Why? Because. So we put two sentences. We connected here with because. Because I need to have more information on materials. Okay? I need to have. We can also say want to, but here I said need to. Say I want more information. I need more information. Also, I would like to know. Okay. More about reading construction plans. Remember, we need two sentences for each point. So that's why here also. Good. Next, inform him or her of the course details. Tell him or her what schedule you need. With regards to, that's our connection for semi-formal. About. With regards to about what? The course details and the schedule. So with regards to the course and schedule I need. Okay. The class is. Okay. The class is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 4 p.m. until 9 p.m. at Nate Downtown Campus. Okay? So that's the information about the class. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. From this time until that time. So, I will need to finish work. So, I will need to finish work. Sorry, this is a connection sentence, so I need it in blue. On the days I have class, so I need to finish work on the days I have class at 3 p.m. Let's put because. It's better here. Because I need to change that a little bit. Because I need to get ready. Okay. Good. The last point, when the course will finish and how your work can be managed. Lastly, the course will be, so it's going to be from February 5th until May 30th. So, I should be saying commas, so everyone keep an eye on the commas. Too many commas, errors, less marks. So, I will need my schedule changed until June 4th. So I will need my schedule changed until that time. Okay. Also, I talked with Andrew and he told me he can work overtime. Wow, good, Andrew, on the days I leave early. So remember it says, how can we manage your schedule when you're gone? So Andrew, he's such a nice guy. he's going to work overtime, or he can work overtime. Good. Thank you for your attention. I hope that's how we finish a way of closing. And I hope we can make my schedule change. Sincerely, Justin Trudeau. Okay, very good, everyone. So I will be posting that on the next page. Have a good day.